If you're thinking about buying IntegratingMe, there are 7 essential things you need to know before you make the purchase, especially if you're comparing it to other similar tools out there. Stick with me till the end, because we're going to cover all the key details that could really help you decide if this is the right choice for you. First up, IntegratingMe is designed to streamline and simplify your integrations across various platforms. This is a tool that promises to save you time and effort, especially if you're handling multiple systems that need to work together. Compared to competitors like Zapier or IntegratingMe, IntegratingMe stands out with its user-friendly interface and a faster setup process, allowing you to get your integrations running quickly without a steep learning curve. Next thing, one of the key selling points of IntegratingMe is its automation capabilities. Automating your workflow is a big deal if you're looking to reduce manual tasks and increase efficiency. With its powerful features, it lets you set up customized automation across apps with just a few clicks. What's even better is that it has a higher level of flexibility than many competitors. While other tools may offer limited triggers and actions, IntegratingMe gives you more freedom to build complex workflows that can be tailored exactly to your needs. The third thing you should consider is the integration range. While some tools are limited in the number of apps they support, IntegratingMe covers a wide range of integrations, including big names like Salesforce, HubSpot, Google Sheets, and even custom APIs. This makes it a great option for businesses looking to connect a lot of different platforms in one place. Its versatility is often noted as a stronger point compared to Zapier, which doesn't support as many niche or industry-specific apps. Next up, ease of use. If you've ever tried to set up complex workflows in other tools, you know it can be overwhelming. IntegratingMe sets itself apart by offering a clean, intuitive interface that makes it simple to set up automations. The drag and drop functionality is easy to grasp even for those with limited technical knowledge, making it a strong contender against platforms like IntegratingMe, which can be more challenging to get the hang of. The fifth thing is the customer support that IntegratingMe offers. While tools like Zapier have support but might not be as responsive or helpful, IntegratingMe prides itself on excellent customer service. They offer quick responses and provide support that helps you get back on track without frustration. This attention to customer experience is a definite plus when you're comparing it to other automation platforms that often leave you to troubleshoot on your own. The sixth point is pricing. IntegratingMe offers great value for the features it provides, especially considering its relatively low cost for the service compared to other players in the market. While Zapier might offer a similar service, their pricing structure can quickly get expensive as you scale up. With IntegratingMe, you get more bang for your buck, especially if you're a small business or a solo entrepreneur. Finally, if you want to try IntegratingMe for yourself, you're in luck. You can get a free trial through the first link in the description below. This will allow you to explore the software fully, without any commitment, and you'll also get access to some exclusive benefits. So if you're interested in testing out this tool, make sure to click that first link and start your free trial today. To wrap up, if you're looking for a seamless, easy-to-use integration platform that stands out from the competition, IntegratingMe might just be the solution you've been looking for. Don't forget to check out the link below to get the best offer and try it for free.